Hey, good afternoon, guys. I'm working on an AC issue, but I wanted to do a quick video on how to test a capacitor for an AC unit. Man, I looked through the internet, and sometimes it's hard to find somebody that, kind of common language. I'm an aircraft technician by trade, but I don't know everything. So I like to do my research before I do anything and see if we can save a couple bucks. But anyways, I removed this, and it's going to be a 60 microfarad for the compressor side, and it's going to be 7.5 microfarads for the fan side. And we're going to test from common to fan, common to the HERM side, which is the compressor part. And then I've also went ahead and ordered one of these. It had about 5,000 reviews, and there was like 4.8. So I went ahead and trusted it. $18 $18 on this multimeter here. And anyways, if you see the video where I'm actually working on the AC unit, you'll see that these were completely gone. So I scraped these sides to find out, because I had no idea what I was testing. So the common, HERM, and fan. So I don't get lost again, I'm gonna line them up. So common, HERM, and fan. And we're actually gonna test across here and across here. So same thing here, and then here. And I pre-tested this one before I cleaned it, and it showed 6.9. Of course, now that I'm doing the video, it's showing good. But I still want to do it anyways. I got like 81 followers. Maybe it'll help one of you guys. And, if anybody can save a little bit of money, more than happy to. So if I'm doing this wrong or you have any suggestions, please let me know. Like I said, this is not my trade, and I barely know what I'm doing. So a little bit. Just enough to get in trouble. But these things go bad all the time. I've changed one on my dad's house and my brother's house, and they're you can find them from $15 all the way to $40, $60. But an AC guy is going to come in here and charge you a lot more than that. So if you can save a little bit, why not? We'll try it. So anyways, we're going to get our multimeter, and we're going to set it to the microfarads, and it just happens to be this on this multimeter. If you have a different one, always keep your user manual or do an online search and find out how to set up your specific meter. But anyways, this one will do the job. And then we could even also test for if it's shorted to ground. So we can check the ohms from each one of these terminals to the case to see if it's shorted to ground. So we could do that also for you guys. Like I said, guys, excuse my equipment, but I'm not a professional when it comes to these videos, and I'm trying. And like I said, I did some research, and I couldn't find a video that, I don't know. So I'm a common person that I could understand, in layman's terms. So we're gonna test this guy and see what happens. So I pre-tested. So we're gonna go from common to fan, and the multimeter is gonna send a charge, a small charge, and it's gonna tell us what our reading is. So it's 60.62 microfarads is our reading on this one. So common to HERM, which is the compressor side of it, 62. Now we're gonna go from common to fan, and that's going to be the other side, which is that 7.5 we're looking for. 7.7. Now both of these are a little bit high, but I wouldn't be too concerned. But I know in the past I've replaced about 2 or 3 of them on this specific mobile home, and when I came in here before I started working on it, the fan size showed 6.9, which is the issue we're having. Our fan is no good. So we're going to go to the new one. So we're going to go common here to fan, and it's going to throw a charge through it, and it should read 7.5. 7.4. So that's good. Then we're gonna go common to Herm, which is the compressor side of it, and it's gonna throw a charge through it. 60. So I think this one's right on the money. That's the one I'm gonna use. I already paid for it, so what do you do? Gotta tell my wife I saved money somehow, right? So I can go play poker. I've been playing poker a lot. Seem to be losing a lot. But anyways, so we're gonna go check the resistance now. We're gonna go from common to case. Fan to case. The Herm side of it to case. So that's a good one. Sorry, let me go this side. So common to case on our old one, that's good. Fan to case, that's also good. And then Herm to case. So this unit is not shorted to the case, but our microfarads were reading low. So we're still gonna replace it. We're gonna go back out to the unit. And anyways, if you like this video, follow for more, subscribe. You know, I'll try to do some more of these videos. I just haven't had a lot of time. And excuse my contraption, I'm actually recording from chainsaw sharpener. But anyways, I'll try to work on some equipment to do some actual good videos. But hey, you gotta do what you gotta do.